YouTube, what's happening? It's your guy Hitch. I hope you are all well. It's the beginning of the year, so sneaker releases are a bit slow, but Jordan Brand happened to just drop these Red Thunder 4s, and they seem to be well received. I personally, not a fan, but it seems like a lot of people like them, so kudos to you if you were able to cop. Now, one of my most requested videos is a lacing tutorial for the Jordan 4s, so I figured this is the perfect time to deliver that to you guys so you have a guide and lacing up your Red Thunder 4s.
Demon on my shoulder mixed with mama said. Heart had my body playing Simon Says. God ain't talking back, prayer line needs to the feds.
Now, even though I'm not the biggest fan of these Red Thunder Jordan 4s, Jordan 4s are still a top 5 Jordan of all time to me. So I'm really excited to do this lacing tutorial. Now, if this is your first time seeing one of my lacing tutorials, just know I have a whole playlist for other sneakers I've done lacing tutorials for. You can just click that link at the top right to go and check that out. And as always, step 1 to lacing your sneakers is always going to be remove the laces completely. So this is the end goal. To get here, you got to start here. Once you have your laces completely removed, we are going to start at the first eyelet to kick this off. And what we're going to do is go from the outside in. And I use the plastic tabs when I do this as well. So once you have both laces entered from the outside going in, you want to make sure that the laces are going to be even. And this time we're going to go from the inside out.
It's always us,
Always
never
us,
them.
never them. Look.
Always make sure your laces are flat.
Look, as a youngin', I admitted I was on the edge. Demon on my shoulder mixed with mama said. Heart had my body playing Simon Says. God ain't talking back, prayer line needs to the feds. Same when his homies round, same when nobody there. Main thing looking tight, best believe I got a spare. See what you complaining for, you know don't nobody care. Real kings go through real things, that's everywhere. Pain filled.
The laces are completely flat, so we're going to stop right there. What we're going to do now, when I lace my sneakers, I typically like to skip a lace eyelet or 2, and the one we're going to skip is the 3rd one, and then we're going to go to 4, 5, and 6. All the way up, inside out.
Depression, a fine line, it's over for humble. Tell niggas I won't mind, pay dues on front line. Receipts got blood signed, hey. Hustle. I dare you to grind, shine, embracing your struggle. Depression, a fine line, it's over for humble. Tell niggas I won't mind, pay dues on front line. Receipts got blood sign, bam.
Okay, so we're going to stop right here. A few things I want to call out. Aside from going inside out all the way up, I like to make sure my sneakers are loose when I wear them. I don't like them too tight. So what I'm going to do is just go through these sections and make sure that the laces are a little bit loose.
See what you complaining for, you know don't nobody care. Real kings go through real things, that's everywhere. Pain filled, heavy that bone crusher, never scared. Vampire, blood sucker, kick shit, numb chucker from the mud. Long jumper, diesel burner, long trucker. They cold front and pull up on them, let him hold something.
That looks a little bit better. I also want to make sure all the laces are flat. There's nothing coiled up and they all are flat. So what we're going to do now, we're going to use this again, the plastic tab, but this time we're going to skip the next row and go to the middle row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want to go to 9, and we're going to use the first eyelet in the 9th slot.
Tell niggas I want mine. Pay dues on front line. Receipts got blood sign. Bam.
Still not complete. We still need to loosen up some of these, so I'm going to start pulling on these laces starting at the top. And work my way down.
Same when his homies round, same when nobody there. Main thing looking tight, best believe I got a spare. See what you complaining for, you know don't nobody care. Real kings go through real things, that's everywhere. Pain filled, heavy that, bone crusher, never scared. Vampire, blood sucker, kick shit, numb chucker from the mud, long jumper.
So this is how I laced my Jordan 4s, and as promised, this was the end goal. And if you put them next to each other, you'll notice that they are identical. I have a few pair of Jordan 4s, and they all are laced up the same way. So if this video was helpful, please make sure you share it and like it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that button. And my next video is going to be another lacing tutorial, but it's going to be for a sneaker that all of you love. So if you don't want to miss out on that video, make sure you hit that bell notification. I'm out.
See the wave that I'm on, I just laugh at the clones. Why they chasing the throne? I'm out here making my own hustle. I dare you to grind, shine, embracing your struggle. Depression, a fine line, it's over for humble. Tell niggas I want mine, pay dues on front line. Receipts got blood signed, hey. Hustle. I dare you to grind, shine, embracing your struggle. Depression, a fine line, it's over for humble. Tell niggas I want mine, pay dues on front line. Receipts got blood sign. Bam.